Hey, what's up, you guys? So, how would you like to turn live micro webinars into high ticket commissions? Guys, I'm super excited about this training because this guy just started in January of 2021 and he's already done $100,000 just with one company. Okay. And what he's doing is something that I've never seen before, at least in this industry. But I want to introduce to you guys Paul Griffith. What's going on, my man?
What's up, brother? Thanks for having me on. What's going on, everybody? How's it going? All right. So once I go live, the first thing I show people is I go over to Amazon.com. So I take them right over to Amazon.com. And from here, I scroll down to the bottom. I say, hey, look, this is my whole spiel and everything. I say, hey, guys, look, I'm going to take you over to Amazon, but we are not consumers anymore. We're going to learn how to be producers. Anything that we buy, we're going to turn it into an asset for us so we can make money with it. You guys probably have packages on your way to your house. Holidays is coming around, but let me show you how to get paid while you're out there doing that. Then I highlight this and I tell people, who knew that Amazon was begging us to make money with them, right? Who wants to make money with our largest retailer in the world? And everyone that's more engagement, they're just like, hey, I'm really excited about that. I didn't know about that. I did know about that. And then I break it down. I say, hey, look, all of these categories you can make money, right? You can sell a product on Amazon. I don't have a product, so I can't do that. Or you can sell your app. I'm not a developer. I'm not a coder. We can't do that. But we're going to focus on becoming an affiliate. So when I click on that link and I come over here, I show everybody this exact program. And I say, look, it's simple as recommending products and earning commissions. So if Amazon is doing this, of course, I want something to do with Amazon, right? Now, Amazon isn't the only company. You can sign up with tens of thousands of other creators, bloggers, publishers. This is literally my presentation, guys. You can steal, borrow, whatever you want to do. Trust me, it converts. And you can sign up. You can recommend millions of their products. You get custom links in your back office and you earn up to 10% commissions. Now, that's pretty low, but most people that get into this space with physical products, they have to understand that there's a cost, obviously, to making those products. But that's why I promote digital products. But like digital products pay me up to, 50, 60, even some of my softwares I promote are 95% commissions. And that's kind of like getting them excited to hear more. And at this point, you get a few people that say, what is digital? What is digital? And I just let them sit at bay for a little bit. And then I show them another website. I go over to Target. And I say, just to let you know, Amazon isn't the only website that has this. 82% of all retailers have a affiliate marketing program that you guys can sign up for free to promote their product. As you guys can see at the bottom of the screen there, you see affiliates and partners. I'm going to click that right there just to let you know that this isn't some MLM. Major brands let you partner with them. And at this one, you can earn up to 8% commissions. At this point, I usually turn my camera around, but at least get the camera back on me if they can't see me.
Dude, this is real quick. Dude, this is really good stuff. Now, a couple questions for me real quick. So with TikTok, like you said, you get around 500 like the first 5 minutes because you demand that attention and because you're getting all those comments, you're getting all these people, correct?
Yes, 100%. You have to ask them, I'm like, what city are you from? Where are you guys tuning in from? We get people from all over the world. Are we international today? Let me know if we're international today. I'm in the US and you'll get people, I'm in Barcelona, I'm in here. And they get excited about repping their city. They get excited about saying what they're about. And these people that come on and do that, I'll let them know. I'm like, hey guys, the more people that can get on this live, the more energy that I'm going to get. The more comments that you guys put here, the more impressions TikTok's going to have. So do me a favor and let's reach more people out there so we can get this word out, because I don't think these people want us all to know about this. We can become free through affiliate marketing if you guys can just help us get this word out there. From that point, once I started talking to people, people are like, well, how do we promote it? How do we figure out how to do this? And I'm like, just to be clear, all you have to do is review products and services. If you guys ever heard of Ryan's World on YouTube, it's a kid that literally has those toys and he's reviewing them on YouTube, and he made $26 million off of YouTube last year. Now he has brand deals and all this stuff, but maybe we can get, 1,000 of that. And I'll show you how people on TikTok is doing that exact thing right now. So what I'm going to do is show you how I show them how to use physical products on that live. On this one here, I tell people, like, if you look at this page right here, this person is literally reviewing products and services. Now she has 2.4 million followers. Don't worry about that, guys. I let them know. I said, look, she started with 0, just like anyone else. So just get started. Now I scroll down here and I show them how this person is getting millions of views and they haven't even showed their face. The reason that I show this page is because some people really are nervous about getting on camera. So I might show them this video And this video is this person just unboxing products, right? And if you look over to the right side of the screen there, it says the best $17 I've ever spent unboxing my 3D light fireworks light bulb. And that right there gets people excited. They're like, wait, I got packages on the way. I can be affiliate for this right now. I can do this right now. And I'm like, yeah, guys, this is a simple model. And I dismissed this almost immediately. I said, for me, I'm a simplest. I don't want to buy a bunch of products to review them and as starting out. And then I let them know, I say, but me, if you guys want to know how I make much more commissions through this process with digital marketing, let me know. And this is when the comments come in. And sometimes they say, show us one more video. And I'm like, okay, I'll show you this one. This one has 25 million views. And I show them this and I let them know, these are the hashtags that you guys want to use. Amazon must-haves, Amazon finds, TikTok made me buy it. TikTok made me buy this. As you guys can see, she said she's unboxing her new levitating light bulb lamp. Link in bio. So right there, I say, okay, boom, we're gonna go over here. How does she get people to actually buy these products? How does she get paid? This is her link in her bio. If we click this will redirect us. So I'm gonna click this link, redirect us off of TikTok's native platform, open anyway, and this is going to be a Linktree account. So guys, if you want to sign up for affiliate and you're wondering how to get all your links, make sure you look at this Linktree, that or Beacon, and there's other websites. Now I go through here and I look at that levitating light bulb lamp. This should take me over to Amazon.com. Boom, right here. Now, mind you, this person is making up to 10% commissions on this actual purchase, right? For simple math, that person's making $9 on each sale on the high end. So as you guys can see, I'm trying to make sure that they are excited about the potential, but at the same time, dismiss the fact of actually doing physical products. When I tell them that I don't have to purchase any of the actual digital products is when they actually get hooked in. So from here, if someone's looking for digital products, I'm like, hey, put in the chat, let me know if you guys want to learn about digital products where I can find products that teach people how to do certain things, whether that's get in shape, whether that's learn how to cook through an ebook, learn how to start a YouTube channel, learn how to do affiliate marketing. Like that's the steps of me warming them up to understanding that they can learn this stuff. And I'm like, and if you guys want, I can show you the exact program that I went through, the exact way that you guys can go through the same steps that I had, and you can have a solid foundation where you're not getting pulled in multiple different directions with that education. But before all that, I let them know, I said, hey, would you guys value if I came into your city, your state, your country, and sat down for 3 days, sat down for 10 days, sat down for 15 days with you guys to teach you guys step by step at your own pace? And everybody's like, yes, yes. I'm like, hey, just put in the chat, let me know. And everyone's going crazy and saying yes. And I'll be like, hey guys, I'm gonna be transparent with you. That's the old way of doing things. That's our mindset, understanding that that's how we learned back in the day. But we're on the internet with X amount of people, and you guys are all learning from me this way. And my wallet would not like me flying to each one of your towns. So how about I show you a $7 program that I went through that's not going to break the bank, and it's going to give you a solid foundation, how to start, how to do this. And people are like, heck yeah, I would love to do that. I would love to see that. And I'm like, just to let you know that whether it's you, your program, or another program, I always show them that program or show that person I'll learn from. So I'll show, let's say if it's your program, I might show, hey, this is this live training we're going through, and you guys might want to sign up for this now because this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. And I might show that landing page right then and there. And I'm like, and these are all successful people that are going to be teaching their specific ways on how they become successful. From there, I can transition people right over to that program and show them what it's all about and get them into that actual system. So basically what I try to do when I go live, demand attention. If you guys have never, I think it's maybe $20 or something less, but go out there and get the perfect webinar by Russell Brunson. That will teach you exactly how to not only command attention, make sure you're the person that they should learn from, like basically becoming that authority. Then at the same time, have that wow statement, that whatever it is. Like for me, usually when I get on, I say, hey, look guys, I'm gonna show you how to start a side hustle and scale it to a 10K per month business with a foundation education on what you can leverage other people's products and services. And that wow statement at the beginning is one of the more important things because you want to prove that throughout your webinar. You want to show the process of doing that. But at the beginning, if I got right into affiliate marketing and showing digital products, no one would convert to go over there on that first time. And a lot of people make content and they're like, you don't need people to convert on that first time, but on live webinars, you can go through the whole journey of a person in an hour of them being introduced to something, curiosity to consideration to call to action. You can 100% go through that journey in one live webinar.
That's awesome. So based on what you said, like 95% of your commissions are coming from these lives, correct?
100%.
That's crazy,
100%.
man.
Get people to wear whatever affiliate product that you're promoting. So you do have to know your audience. You do have to be aware and ask questions with this process. And if you have something that's cookie cutter at the beginning, just pay attention to your process. Pay attention to going out there. And everyone knows people buy from people that they know, like, and trust, right? You can post content all day long and be in the comments and getting people to like you. But when you go live and then you show them that you're a human and you're answering questions and you go out there, they get to know you. You got some jokes, you're entertaining, you're fun on there. Show your personality. Even if you don't think you don't have a personality, that is a personality. And it's going to resonate with someone out there. And when you can get people to know, like, and trust you, you're going to understand, or you're going to see much more commissions come through. How long did it take you to get to 1,000 followers on TikTok? How do you do it since you don't do side hustle videos? So I did when I started. My method when I first started out is, I would say ignorantly, I was just trying to go viral. I wanted to go viral. Sure. And when I first started, I wasn't even promoting anything. So I was teaching people things that I was doing. Like, I used to drop ship from Amazon onto eBay and onto Facebook Marketplace. So I can make, hundreds of dollars a day by just adding 40% margin on these actual items. So I was showing people that process. But then I started looking at hashtags like side hustles or whatever it was. And if I see a video that had the potential to actually going viral, I would just reframe it of what my method is. I didn't talk about this, but I use a 4x4 method. So basically within the first 4 seconds of any video I make, my first 4 seconds is obviously the hook, right? But your hook has to be thumb scroll stopping. It has to be a wow factor. It has to be something unbelievable. Your second 4 seconds of your video, you want to make sure that you prove whatever you said. Your third 4 seconds of your video, you want to show the process of learning that, just a snippet of it. And then the last 4 seconds of your video has to be a call to action. So how often do you go live? Are you primarily live on TikTok or Facebook? So for that question, I think that's right above Patricia's. I try to go live every day, even if it's not with this picture, this presentation. Let's say I'm out at the lake, you know what I mean? Or if I'm somewhere else, that's a lifestyle live. My lives are mostly on TikTok. When I go live on my Facebook page, I think Facebook has 1% reach or something like that. So when I get 1,000 people on TikTok on a live, that's the most I've ever had. That is the best, right? When I get 1,000 people there and I go over onto my Facebook page and I get one person come in and then they leave and I got like 2 people there, I don't like to waste my time. But I did see an app recently that said that they can connect all of your live streams and go live simultaneously or whatever it is. So I'll be looking into that. But yeah, mostly live, 100% on TikTok.
Yeah, man, that's brilliant. Now, before we answer any more questions, if you do have time, what's your handle? What's your TikTok handle? Because I think everyone's going to follow you.
Live Free Francis.
So guys, go follow Paul. I mean, this is just brilliant. This feels like a coaching call for myself, so I appreciate it.
How regular do you go live? For a while, I was going at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time every day. Then I noticed that when I couldn't go live at 7, I was going live around like 8, 9 o'clock or whatever it was, and my viewers were bumping up a lot more. Ideally, I would have thought like, man, most people are at work or whatever it is, but you just have to test what you think the best time it is for your live. Maybe go live in the morning one day, go live in the afternoon, go live in the evening, whatever works out with your schedule. So I go live once a day, usually now. After I go to the gym around 5:30 in the morning. I get back, maybe write some emails or whatever it is, and I go live right after that. So it's usually about 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock in the morning. For those that ask a question, do you add those objections for the next improved webinar live? So for me, now I've went live so many times, I already know what their objections are going to be, right? We're not going to be able to learn without going through this process and then learning what your audience objections be. People that follow me, I have like 66% women that follow me, believe it or not. So I don't know if you guys look at your analytics or whatever it is, there's sometimes that I get on there and I have to cater my verbiage. Like I might say sis, or I might say, you know what I mean? Because I know I'm talking to, I can look at the faces that are popping up. There's more women that are on my live maybe, which is crazy to me because usually people resonate with people that they look like in imagery or whatever it is. And that's some psychological stuff that I've studied. But So for me, those objections, I've heard them all before. I knock them down throughout my actual training. So I'm answering questions throughout it. So when I get to the end, most of those questions at the end are mindset questions. Is there a way to pre-record live? So actually, I have not used this to my benefit, but TikTok actually records and saves your lives for I think 30 or 90 days. So you can go in there and actually, somebody told me before, which probably would be a great idea. I probably really do it. They was like, record all your lives and just upload them on Paul Lifrey Francis live, TikTok live, and just upload every live that you do on YouTube on like a separate channel. Like that's all you should do. And I was like, I don't know if I want to do that, but I could utilize some of my better lives and put them out there in the world for sure. How can we get your method? You can follow me on TikTok and do one better. You can watch, mimic, model. I don't even care if you copy my method. So if you follow me on Paul Live Free Francis, I go live every day. It's probably going to be in the morning. Come on that live, engage, please. And yeah, just learn from what I'm doing. And what I do is tell people, if you're mimicking the movement of successful people, that's one of the things that I do really, really well. You will find success 100%. You don't have to reinvent the wheel or anything like that. Hopefully I answered enough questions for you guys. If I missed any, I do apologize.
Thank you so much for coming on, and especially, during this traffic challenge, because people are, I'm pushing them out of their comfort zone, right? And with this, it's like, okay, now I'm starting to create content. Maybe I'll go live and start converting some of these people that are following me. So this is awesome, Paul. Really, really appreciate you coming on. Guys, go follow Paul at Paul Live Free Francis. I put it down in the description, but also you guys will see the comment there. So, all right, dude, thank you so much. And we'll see you guys on the next one, and God bless.